हम हाँ भाई। बासित आवाज आ रही है? बासित, हेलो। हेलो।
जी आपको
यार बहुत कट कट के।
हेलो। आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही?
जी जी। ओके, डिस्प्ले टेक्निकल नेम्स, डिस्प्ले favorites at end of list. ओके।
ओके। अच्छा सॉरी, मुझे पता नहीं चला आप यहाँ तक कैसे हैं।
I'll repeat. Okay, how did I actually arrive at that? Logistics. The server is very slow. The internet is very slow today. Okay,
मुझे अच्छा ठीक है आप।
master data, sales partner, sales proposal. So how do we get this? These details? Go to more, extras, settings, and we display technical names. Okay.
Okay.
So what are we going to cover in SD and MM? Let's see that. We'll cover master data, cover business partner, sales prospect. We will create all of these. Okay, we'll create a customer as well, contact person, sales partners. Then products. What are the products that we are going to create? Build of materials. Let's see that also. Okay. And there are numerous channels that we are going to have a look at in sales and distribution and in material management. We'll have a look at material master. We'll go through purchasing. There's a lot of area to cover in purchasing. Okay. And come on, inventory. Okay. So before we actually commit to having and creating a material master, we'll create a material, MM01. I'll just give an overview.
आई कैन नॉट सी द स्क्रीन। मेरे पास स्क्रीन ही आ रही। हेलो।
E.
अच्छा मैंने सर।
Okay. Logistics, material management, material master, material, create, generalized. MM01 is the technical code, and industry sector will we will just pick any random. I'll pick mechanical engineering, and I'll pick up finished good. Now where is finish good, finish good, finish good. Finish good, finish good, finish product, fert. It is FERT. Okay, I'll pick up any finish good. Select use, no external number. This is just random that I'm picking up right now. Like use basic data, purchasing, accounting one, accounting two, organizational levels, double A four two. Okay, now this is the material number that we have got. Okay, base unit of measure is PC 01, division 00. Now, what are divisions? We'll discuss this as well. Cost weight, net weight, and weight unit. Weight unit. Weight unit. kg, ton, okay, kilogram. Okay. Basic data. We don't need anything. Purchasing. In purchasing, we need a material group. What's material group? We'll also see that. And purchase value key, GR processing time is 1 day. Counting one. Valuation class. This is where your finance and MM actually integrate. Okay.
अ, तो ये वेरिएशन क्लास में हम लोग नंबर खुद ही देते हैं, ये
This
ऑटोमेटिकली पिक करता है?
it picks automatically, but these valuation classes are configured. We'll also see how to configure these. Save
ओ,
and your material is created. Okay. So this is how you create a material master. But let's first configure a company and a company code before times actually run out. Now this is the backend, and you actually reach through the transaction code SPRO. Enterprise structure is the first node where you will define your organizational unit. We'll go in financial accounting because this is where company is defined, and our company is BBXG Blue Box Group. Define company, new entries, BBXG, BBXG Group. AE English currency will be USD, or we'll keep euro. Okay, save. Data was saved.
ठीक.
Edit, copy, delete company code. Edit company code data. We'll increase our company code will be BPG. BPG. Blue box packaging. And this will be Dubai's country region. AE currency will be USD. Mother company, which is this one, is in so mother company is in euro. It will take reporting in euro, and this is USD. Okay. Save. AE BVPG blue box. BVPG blue box. Enter. Okay, data was
ठीक है.
Next is logistics. Define plant. Now, plant is where your material stock is created, stored. New entry, BPG, blue box packaging plant, BPG, blue box packaging. Okay, save, BPG, BPG, BP. Okay, define location. We'll pick up a location, and that is dependent on the plant location. New entries, and that will be BPG. BPG location will be Sharjah. BPG blue box. AE enter, save. Okay, plant and